Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk some more about possessive nouns. We know that possessive nouns are the nouns that show ownership, and we use the apostrophe S. For example, if the girl has a bike, the bike belongs to the girl, we know it is the girl's bike, and we use the apostrophe S to show ownership. The bike belongs to the girl. Today we're going to talk a little bit about something just a little bit different. We're talking about the plural possessive noun. We know that plural means more than one, so two or more. That's what we mean when we say plural. So, for example, if there were two girls and they had to share a bicycle, so the bicycle belongs to both of the girls, we would write that phrase as the girls because there's more than one girl, so we add the S to make it plural, girls bike, and we put the apostrophe after the S because the bike belongs to more than one girl. The bike in this case belongs to two. So if we have two boys and they share a skateboard, for example, the skateboard belongs to both boys. It is the boys' skateboard. Who does the skateboard belong to? The boys. Which boy? Both boys. Boys is plural, more than one. The apostrophe goes after the S. Here we have two birds. These birds have a nest. The nest belongs to both the birds. So we would write that phrase, the birds, more than one bird, right? Put the apostrophe after the S. The birds nest. So we know that there is more than one bird, two or more. All right, here we have some cats. And down here we have some students. Now, our cats have a ball of yarn. They love to play with the yarn. Big ball of yarn. Okay? And our students have a beautiful garden where they grow pretty flowers. So think right now, boys and girls, how would you write that phrase? You would say the cat's yarn. The yarn belongs to both cats, so the apostrophe has to go after the S. And down here we have the student's garden. The garden belongs to all the students. So we put the apostrophe after the S. Student's garden. Cat's yarn. Here we have two different, so you can see it together. We have one girl, and she has a bike. We would write that one, the girl's bike, with the apostrophe S. The apostrophe comes right after the word girl and before the S because the bike belongs to a girl. There's only one girl. Here there are two girls, and the bike belongs to both of the girls. So we write girls. The S is already there. We put the apostrophe after the S. That way we know the bike belongs to more than one girl. We're going to be talking more about this in class, so be prepared, think about it, see if you can come up with some of your own plural possessive nouns. Share them when we get to class. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you all on Monday.